What's good, YouTube? It's Chop back again with another video. I just want to say now I'm doing reaction videos to add on to my channel. So if you guys like everything that I do and you guys support me, watch my videos, just please tune in to my reaction videos. It's going to be funny, lit. You guys are going to learn new things, how to make money, how to create stuff, how to put your mind to better use, how to not waste your money, how to take your money out of your savings and actually build it rather than it saving and collecting dust. So today we're going to be watching a video by one of these guys I like to watch. His name is The Session, and he's really into stocks. He tells you how to make money, tells you how to do calls, puts, what they are, how to do trade options, and how to make money fast. And also, you can make money fast, but it's also good to make money in long term too, because your money does grow either way. So I just want you guys to pay attention to the videos and tips and stuff that he gives you, and hopefully you guys learn something like I did. And so his name is The Sessions. His video is named Hot Stocks This Week. It was just posted 3 hours ago. This week, High Growth Stocks 2021. So if you guys are trying to get into stocks, you know, like Webull, Robinhood, there's a bunch of apps that you guys can try, and all these apps you can make money on them at the same time, literally. So yes, just pay attention. Be sure to like the video, comment, be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get into this. And please also watch the whole video, because there's, I believe, 54.2 of you guys that are watching not subscribed. So please subscribe and let's get the ball rolling. Let's try to get lit. I'm gonna drop 2 to 3 videos a day for you guys, whether it's vlogs, pranks, and reaction videos, or maybe all of them at the same time. So yes, let's get right into this. So now, let's see. We're good? Okay. All right, let's get into this video now.
Who would have thought? A young brown dude making money off cannabis in his sleep. Hilarious.
In your sleep. Hilarious. And that's the best way you want to earn it. You actually want to have several different incomes. And who doesn't like making money in your sleep?
It is your
Truly.
boy Session. I'm here on this lovely evening, and I'm prepping a video for tomorrow morning. I want you all to wake up fresh and have a grand rising to some amazing plays. Now, what I've been doing is taking some due diligence, doing some due diligence.
That's how it's supposed to do it. It's supposed to start your day early.
And have found some amazing plays. Now, as you know, if you were in the Discord, I just rattled off, I think it was 5 or 6 plays to y'all. So, you're welcome. Thank you for helping me. But for the rest of you beautiful people on the YouTube, you dig?
For him talking about the Discord, he has a Discord that's set up where if you pay like $5, you can get into his chat, and he actually puts option plays in the chat for you guys to go in. And he actually is really good at his option calls, his puts, because he makes a lot of money. Therefore, that's why he's making the video for you guys. So let's get right back into it.
I think these are some hot stocks, some hot, on fire, die-line hot fire stocks that are
we like the hot stocks
right now, that have been taking the market over, but quietly. They have been on the rise for months, and I'm going to show you these 3 stocks right this second. But first, what I need you to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm feeling rejuvenated, I'm feeling revigorated, I'm feeling energized. You see, I got the big dreads in.
Me too. Let's go.
We're always leveling up. We're always feeding our mind. We're always feeding our body, our spirit, and our stomachs. You dig what I mean? So let's continue to level up. With that being said, let's pull out our phones.
Yep, let's go.
Okay, so the first stock.
Before we get into that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned in for more. Let's get back.
I know it looks familiar, it's Afria. A lot of you who've been down since the beginning, y'all know about Tilray.
Okay, first stock, Afria.
And you know that they're merging. Okay, so let's take
a look. If you go down
right here
on the bottom of these Robinhood stocks, or maybe other stock apps that you guys may use, you guys can educate yourself, because it actually tells you what the stock is before you even put your money into it. So don't just go around just saying, okay, maybe I'm gonna just put my money here and it's gonna flip. It might work, and then it might not, and then you wonder why it didn't work. Learn the information on what you're putting your money into. Maybe you actually want to invest in that company, so just be aware.
This is an amazing cannabis stock. All right, you know I love me some cannabis, and this stock, as you see right here,
Afria,
was down in
stock.
during the trading day, but then after hours it is up 8.7%.
Cannabis stocks do make a lot of money.
What I'm thinking for this one, this is what I'm thinking. I remember, again, we did a video on this already. So feel free to go look that up. But Afria and Tilray, with the merger happening, Tilray costs more, okay? And right now, Afria, I believe, has like an exchange rate of a little over 83%. Meaning if you have 100 Afria shares, when you transfer it to Tilray, you're only going to get about 84 shares, a little over 83 shares. Yeah. So,
and that is because, if you understand that, it's more expensive if you transfer. So he has more shares in Afria. That's basically what he's saying. So if you, and the cost is lower for his Afria, and he already has it. So then he goes and wants to buy the other shares. It's gonna or transfer it. It's gonna cost more money for those other shares. So he might not have those full 100 set of shares. That's basically what he's saying.
Afria is a cheaper price point and cheaper entry right now. Tilray shot up past 40
cheaper
last
price
week.
Point,
so
cheaper entry.
What I'm gonna do with Afria is I'm gonna take a look at it. Any of you who have extra capital and you're looking for a play you want to get in, you can also check out Tilray and SNBL. There's plenty of cannabis stocks right now that are metro booming and going up. Again, with the president Joe racist Biden, he's in there. He believes in cannabis.
And also, you just want to educate yourself around different types of things. Like I said, search on the business that you want to invest in, because if you go onto these stock apps, they're not just going to be like, okay, here, this is the best one, this is the best one, this is the best one. But you have to actually find them, because that's not how they work. And people are out there to help you find the best stocks and the best option trades. So don't feel like you're left out or anything. You just got to educate yourself and do research like I'm doing, showing you guys.
Forget to mention, Afria's revenue was up 33.5% last year, and they're almost at $165 million.
Wow.
And there's a bunch of other stuff with Altria owning them and all this other stuff that we mentioned last video.
See that.
Don't sleep on Afria. See what the world is going towards. EV, natural, sustainability, you dig it? So Afria is the first play. I hope you enjoyed. Okay.
That's your first play. Make sure you guys check it out.
CBLI is numero dos. This company is on absolute fire. Super fuego. As you see right here on the day,
up
12.3%.
Look at 12.
The after hours, 28.5%.
Holy.
Like, this thing is on absolute fire, as you see. And so on the week, up 54%.
Straight up.
On the month, 200. I mean, this is a no-brainer. I've seen this one on Twitter, so shout out to Mr. Profits, I believe.
Go check that out.
This is one right here.
Shout out to Mr. Profits.
I'm very tempted to get some position in this. I may move some things around and put some capital in here. I'm very
Cleveland
very
Biolabs.
Bullish with
if you guys want to check that out.
Cleveland Biolabs. Okay? And if you need to know about the company, you can research it. And if you need to know about the company, this is another company that deals with pharmaceuticals and oncology. And they're doing some things with radiation as well. So they're making some moves in the science field. And as you see, they're doing something right, because they're going up each and every day and every week. So CBLI. And last, I know I just put out a video the other day on penny stocks, but this is for all you penny stock lovers. The people who love option plays love penny stocks. Option plays. So for penny stocks, we have ONTX. This is Oncova Therapeutics. As you see on the day, up almost 24%, and after hours up 12.58%.
It's insane.
This is
doing
numbers. Larry June voice. As you see on the week, up almost 54%.
54%.
Up 111%,
oh,
which is an angel number.
My.
So this one right here, if you have the extra capital and you want to get busy and you're looking for yet another company that I believe specializes in pharmaceuticals, and
you see how he just literally scrolled down, and you could see it says about on. I really can't pronounce it, but you know what I'm saying. But you can see what the corp is about, and before you do what you do or put your money in, you have a better knowledge of what you're getting into. It makes you feel better.
Oncology treatment, they are metro booming here. They are making money, they are making noise. If you have the extra capital, okay, remember, this is cool, but if you only put $20 in here and it goes up another 40%, it's not going to be much. So make sure the more capital you put in here, the more money you can make.
The more capital
essentially what I'm saying.
the more money you can make.
Those are the 3+ plays I have for you today. Let me know below which ones you plan on getting in. I wanted to get.
So those are 3 plays that he has as of today on the 18th of February 2021. So you guys could check that out. Feel free, let me know if it worked for you, if you guys actually like the advice that he gave you, how I got my knowledge. I got some from him, a lot from other people. You can go check him out at the sessions. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think about that. And also, one more thing. Okay, so when you're getting into stocks, they could let you just put whatever type of money you want to put in. So, but when you look at the your stocks and those corporations, you got to check how much it is. Like, it might give you a percentage, like say, okay, 1.60% for 100 shares or something like that, and you only want one of those contracts. You got to times that 1.60 by 100, so it's $160 actually for that contract. So it's not all as simple as you think it is, but everything will work if you just take your time and actually learn what you're doing with it and not just mess around with it, because people do get unlucky, and people do get lucky and people do get unlucky and lose it all just because of one mistake that they could have avoided. So yeah, please check out the sessions, check out stocks, check out everything that you guys like about this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get some feedback, or I love your feedback, so please leave some comments for me. Also, please subscribe. We're on the way to 100 subscribers. We're almost there. I love you guys. Thanks so much, Shop Squad. And let's just finish the video off and we'll be out of here.
Give you this video bright and early in the morning so you can start the day off fantastically and see, okay, what direction can I head towards? I got a little extra capital. I can dip and dabble on that ranch. What am I interested in? You see, us over here making money off of cannabis when cannabis used to get people incarcerated. Yes. You see, so
smart.
The world's doing a change. It's very important that you adapt.
Incarcerated for a lot of time.
I love you. With that being said, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you enter the giveaway, because we're giving away $250, baby. Okay, $250 cash. All you have to do is follow the instructions. I've posted the instructions. They'll be below in this description, as well as on my page, on my Instagram. All you have to do is visit the Patreon. Right there, you will enter with $5. You pay
Patreon, remember the Discord I told you about?
The giveaway instructions are clear as day. It'll take you less than 6 minutes to do. I love you. That's all I got. You dig me? I hope you're feeling fantastic. I hope you're feeling groovy. You feeling it? But
feeling it.
Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. Stay hydrated.
Peace. Alright, so that was the end of that video. So yes, guys, I will be doing a lot of reactions, pranks, vlogs, daily things. I'm doing a lot. I'm trying to make you guys catch up to everything. I want you guys to like everything that I'm putting out. So yes, please just stay in tune with me. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.